On the coronavirus here in Indiana. Tomorrow, elective medical procedures can resume in our state. Now, that's as long as the medical office has enough PPE. And new tonight, we are learning about the first state correctional officer to die of the virus. 67-year-old Gary Wenke died Saturday from complications of COVID-19. He was a correctional officer at the Wabash Valley Correctional Facility. His last day working at the prison was March 29th. His wife is also a correctional officer at that facility. Well, there's a new cluster of COVID-19 cases in Montgomery County. More than a dozen residents at a Crawfordsville nursing home have tested positive for the virus. Our Karen Campbell explains tonight what the health department is doing to keep people safe.
The Ben-Hur Health and Rehabilitation Center in Crawfordsville is now a hotspot for COVID-19. Late Saturday, Montgomery County health leaders learned 14 residents tested positive for the virus. All of them placed in isolation. Family members and loved ones already contacted. Health leaders say 26 people were tested on Friday after they had fevers the day before. A spokesperson for Ben-Hur says they are following CDC guidance along with state and local reporting mandates. In a statement, Sherry Davis said they have a testing strike team of nurses and partner with a private lab to expand testing capabilities. It's a strategy, she says, that can help identify and implement isolation protocols. Montgomery County now has a total of 47 people who tested positive for COVID-19.
We continue to keep you updated on the numbers being reported by the Indiana State Department of Health as far as COVID-19 here in Indiana. We have a lot of information for you broken down by age and gender on our website, WTHR.com, but wanted to give you some basics as well tonight. As you can see, we have more than 15,000 positive COVID-19 cases now here in Indiana. That's with 634 new positive cases reported to the state. And unfortunately, there have been 813 Hoosiers who have now died from the virus. Across the state, the number of COVID-19 cases does vary quite a bit. For example, in Tipton County, you can see there have been 17 cases and just one death. When we go to the south in Hamilton County, obviously a larger population, but there are 704 cases of COVID-19 and 51 deaths. And then out of all of the state, Marion County continues to have the most positive cases, nearly 5,000 right now, and unfortunately 259 deaths. And these differences between the counties here in our state really illustrate what health experts are saying we need to look at when considering reopening the state and our country.
Well, each state is different, and the reason we made the guidelines and gating criteria very specific was also, and I'm sure a lot of people have missed the asterisk, and it said to look not only statewide but also county by county. And I've been very struck by how different the outbreaks are from the metro regions to the rural regions to the county regions. And that's why we look at things in a very granular way, and governors should be doing the same, because there are areas of every state that are much more stable and much more spared this epidemic than other areas of states.
The White House Coronavirus Task Force did not hold any briefings this weekend, and NBC News reports that President Trump's appearances at those press conferences will now be reduced. A Fisher's Church is among the first in our area to reopen after the governor's stay-at-home order went into place. It had in-person services today.
It's time for our country to get back on its feet, and I know as Hoosiers we're all waiting with great anticipation for Governor Holcomb's announcement this coming Friday of what the days and weeks are going to be like. We need to continue to pray that God would give him wisdom as he leads our state and does what's best for the health of all Hoosiers.
That's I-Town Church Pastor Dave Sumrall's online message today. Starting this morning and going through Tuesday, I-Town is holding a service every hour on the hour. Each lasts 40 minutes and only has 10 people physically in attendance there. People did have to reserve a spot online. Well, starting this week, Kroger is increasing safety in their stores. The company's CEO announced in an email to employees that all staff will have to wear face masks while at work. Some stores already required that, but this is now a company-wide mandate. That's a sound you'll hear every night at 9/11 in Hamilton County. The Western Bell Tower got some technical support from the Butler Arts and Events Center to, as you can see, illuminate the tower in blue, and its carillons chimed for 2 minutes. They plan to do this every night as a way to thank our frontline heroes.